This is iBallistic Surfers here. Welcome to another YouTube video. Where today I am, as you can probably see, I am outside. Somewhere random. Okay, so me and my cousin, you probably know him from, you probably know him from one of my other videos. But we have found out how to do a really weird sound. So, sorry. There was just a little thing flying by. Yeah, so this is the sound my cousin can make. And now I'm going to try it, so keep holding it like that. Something on my hand. Can't do it. So, let's do this. So he goes like this.
Make sure there's no gaps. Make sure there's no gaps. Now. It's a plane.
I'm going to be here for ages. I'll be back in a minute when I can do it. I have finally found out how to do it. Right. Yes. So that is the fabulous noise. And yeah. Remember my cousin, yeah? If you would like to, you could watch his channel. So what's his name?
Eddie Leach.
Okay, his channel is called Eddie Leach. Then you can watch his cool videos. Please leave a link in the description. What is it?
Link will be in the description.
Link Eddie Leach in the description.
No, I will put a link in the description of his channel.
I will put a link of his description in the channel. So yeah, I didn't know what I was saying then. So yeah, see you later, guys. No. See you later, guys. Bye.